I'm feeling down, anxious, or just off. What if the secret to a brighter mood isn't just in your head, but in your gut? This video reveals the revolutionary science of psychobiotics, the powerful gut bacteria that can directly influence your brain, banish the blues, and boost your mental well-being. Get ready to discover a game changer for your mood. Hey everyone, welcome to Pure Practice. Have you ever had a gut feeling about something? Or felt butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? We use these phrases all the time, but what if they're not just metaphors? What if your gut, that squishy, often ignored organ, holds a profound secret to your mood, your anxiety, and even your ability to cope with stress? For too long, we've treated the brain and the gut as separate entities. But a quiet revolution is underway, revealing an astonishing connection between the trillions of microbes living in your digestive system and the very fabric of your mental well-being. Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of psychobiotics, the good guys, the microscopic superheroes in your gut that are literally talking to your brain, influencing your emotions, and offering a powerful new pathway to mental clarity and calm. This isn't just about digestion anymore. This is about transforming your mind from the inside out. The brain in your belly, the gut-brain axis unveiled. So, how exactly are these tiny organisms in your gut influencing your giant brain? It's all thanks to something called the gut-brain axis. Think of it as a superhighway of communication, a two-way street between your digestive system and your central nervous system. It's not just one path, it's multiple pathways, operating 24/7. First, there's the vagus nerve. This is the longest cranial nerve in your body, and it's a direct, physical line from your brainstem all the way down to your gut. It's like a fiber optic cable, constantly sending and receiving signals. Your gut microbes can actually send signals up the vagus nerve to your brain, influencing things like anxiety, stress response, and even decision-making. Then, there are neurotransmitters. Yes, the very same chemicals your brain uses to regulate mood, like serotonin and dopamine, are also produced in your gut. In fact, over 90% of your body's serotonin, that essential feel-good neurotransmitter, is made in your gut. Your microbes play a crucial role in its production and availability. Mind-blowing, right? It means a happy gut can literally mean a happier brain. And finally, inflammation. A leaky gut, or an imbalanced microbiome, what we call dysbiosis, can trigger systemic inflammation. And chronic inflammation, as we're increasingly understanding, is a major driver of mood disorders like depression and anxiety. Your gut bacteria can either fuel this inflammatory fire or help put it out, acting as natural anti-inflammatory agents. This isn't just theory, this is the new frontier of mental health. It's about getting to the root cause. What are psychobiotics? Your mood-boosting microbes. So, if gut bacteria can influence our mood, what kind of bacteria are we talking about? Enter the stars of our show, psychobiotics. These are specific strains of beneficial bacteria, and sometimes prebiotics, which feed them, that when ingested produce tangible mental health benefits. They're not just good for digestion, they're profoundly good for your head. It's important to understand this isn't just any probiotic off the shelf. We're talking about specific strains that have been rigorously studied for their effects on the brain and mental well-being. Look for supplements that list these specific strains. Lactobacillus, helveticus, R0052, and Bifidobacterium longum R0175. This dynamic duo has been shown in human studies to reduce stress-induced gastrointestinal symptoms and improve mood in individuals experiencing anxiety and depression. They're like the calming agents of your gut, influencing cortisol levels. Lactobacillus plantarum 2-99 Research suggests this strain can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, and even improve cognitive function by positively influencing neurotransmitter pathways. It's like a brain booster from your belly. Bifidobacterium bifidum. This one is a warrior against inflammation, which, as we discussed, is a key player in mood disorders. By calming systemic inflammation, it helps calm your mind. Think of psychobiotics as precision tools. Just as different medications target specific pathways in the brain, different psychobiotic strains target specific aspects of the gut-brain axis to influence mood, stress response, and even cognitive function. This isn't just a shot in the dark, it's targeted intervention based on science. The proof is in the poop and the brain scans, clinical evidence. This isn't just a fascinating theory. The science is rapidly accumulating, and the results are pretty compelling. We're moving beyond conjecture to observable, measurable changes in both body and mind. Let's look at some of the groundbreaking studies. Stress reduction. One landmark study showed that individuals taking specific psychobiotic strains experienced reduced levels of the stress hormone cortisol and reported lower perceived stress. This isn't just anecdotal, it's a physiological shift, making your body more resilient to daily stresses. Anxiety and depression. Multiple human trials have demonstrated that certain psychobiotic supplements can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. We're seeing improvements that are, in some cases, comparable to conventional treatments, but often with the added benefit of fewer side effects. Cognitive function. Beyond mood, some research suggests that psychobiotics can actually improve cognitive functions like memory, attention, and even mental flexibility. Imagine your gut bacteria making your brain sharper and more adaptable. Brain activity. Advanced imaging techniques like fMRI are even showing changes in brain activity patterns in individuals taking psychobiotics, indicating direct effects on brain regions involved in emotion processing and mood regulation. This isn't just about feeling better, it's about seeing the positive difference in the brain's functioning. And these aren't magic bullets, but they represent a powerful new arrow in our quiver for mental health. They're working at a foundational level, addressing the root cause of some mood imbalances by optimizing your internal ecosystem, not just masking symptoms. This is truly functional medicine for the mind. Beyond the pill, nurturing your psychobiome for optimal mood. While specific psychobiotic supplements are exciting, it's crucial to remember that they supplement a healthy foundation. You can't out-supplement a poor diet and lifestyle. To truly unleash the power of your psychobiome, we need to cultivate a diverse and thriving gut garden. This is where lifestyle becomes medicine. Here's your action plan for a happier gut and a happier mind. Fiber is your friend and your microbes' food. Your beneficial gut bacteria absolutely love fiber. Think of fiber as the prebiotic that feeds your psychobiotics. Load up on diverse plant foods, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Aim for 30+ different plant foods per week. Diversity truly matters here. Fermented foods, your daily dose of live cultures. Incorporate naturally fermented foods into your diet. We're talking kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, unsweetened yogurt, tempeh, and kombucha. These are natural sources of a variety of beneficial bacteria, constantly replenishing your gut. Ditch the gut wreckers, processed foods, excessive sugar, artificial sweeteners, and unnecessary antibiotics can decimate your beneficial gut bacteria and fuel the bad guys. Minimize these as much as possible to create a hospitable environment for your psychobiotics. Manage stress. Your gut hears you. Remember the gut-brain axis? Chronic stress directly impacts your gut microbiome, leading to dysbiosis and inflammation. Incorporate stress reduction techniques like mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature. Your gut will thank you, and so will your brain. Move your body. Regular physical activity has been shown to increase the diversity of beneficial gut bacteria. Even a brisk walk daily can make a difference. It's another powerful way to feed your psychobiome. Sleep is non-negotiable. Poor sleep wreaks havoc on your entire system, including your gut microbiome. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to allow your body and gut to repair and regenerate. Consider targeted psychobiotic supplements. If you're dealing with mood challenges, after optimizing your diet and lifestyle, a high-quality psychobiotic supplement containing the specific strains we discussed might be a powerful next step. Always consult with a trusted healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen or making significant dietary changes, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. This isn't about self-diagnosis, it's about informed choices in partnership with your doctor. The scientific journey into the gut-brain axis and psychobiotics is one of the most exciting frontiers in medicine today. It's fundamentally changing how we understand mental health, moving beyond just the brain and recognizing the profound role of our internal ecosystem. Your gut is not just a digestive organ, it's a vital communication hub, a second brain, and a powerful lever for influencing your mood and mental resilience. By nurturing your psychobiome through intentional food choices, stress management, movement, and potentially targeted supplements, you're not just improving your digestion. You're actively cultivating a happier, calmer, and more resilient mind. This is truly empowering. What are your experiences with gut health and mood? Have you tried psychobiotics? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video illuminating, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into optimizing your health from the inside out. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep cultivating that powerful psychobiome